So today we will not be learning how to play the ukulele because I don't know how. We will be learning how to cook. I'm gonna cook. We're gonna do. Wait for it. Drum roll, please. We're gonna make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It is a very complex meal that people have been making since they were a kid. I repeat, a child. I've been making peanut butter sandwiches my entire life. I love peanut butter. I love sandwiches. Why not mix them together and make a peanut butter sandwich? No jelly. Jelly is disgusting. If you eat jelly, you leave now, or I won't do anything. But today is all about peanut butter and sandwiches. To make a peanut butter sandwich. So for the peanut butter sandwich, you need three main objects. You need bread, you need peanut butter, and you need a knife, a butter knife, because peanut butter. So right here is what you need, perfectly displayed with images and words, so you know what to get. So today, we only have 2 out of 3 of those things. We have peanut butter and bread. But as you can see, we don't have anything in my drawer that shows knives. Because we have these don't work. Knives. See, this isn't a butter knife. This is what you would call a knife butter. This does not work. So today, instead of using a butter knife, we'll be using this finger to rub my butter. Okay, let's go ahead and begin by getting everything we need to make the peanut butter sandwich. Okay. Okay, so our bread choices today include hamburger bread, normal sandwich bread, bagels, and hot dog bread. But today, instead of using normal bread, we'll be putting that away and we'll be using hamburger buns. Because hamburger buns have a rich flavor that normal buns do not have, and that rich flavor is Odyssey. It's just thicker, so you get less peanut butter taste, so it tastes worse. That's the only part of using it, because we gotta make a mucho tastiazo something using this disgusting bread that no one likes to use. Even I make hamburgers with bread that's not hamburger bread. So we'll be using that. And for our peanut butter, we'll be using this. We'll be using this great peanut butter that is crunchy because I like crunchy peanut butter. So now I gotta grab us a plate to use. And since I am poor, we will be using a paper plate. Okay, now let me set up the camera so I can make everything ready. There's water in that. Okay. How do you guys like my outfit? I'm wearing a bathrobe with a t-shirt and jeans under it. Why am I wearing the bathrobe, you might ask? I like bathrobes. That's why. Don't judge or get off, because this is for children, not non-children. Okay, now we will continue. Okay, so first we need to get a piece of bread out of our bread. So this kind of bread, it's called Ballpark brand burger buns, pre-sliced, freshly baked. Serving suggestion: enlarged to show texture. An American favorite, ballparkbuns.com. I hope you guys buy some. This is not a sponsor, it's just what I have in my cupboard. Okay, so they decided to package it with one of those classic little spinny tisty-toos that you have to twisty tie off with your fingers, except for when you have giant fingies like me. And this is going to be one of the ones that you can't figure out how to twist off because it's broken or something, but I figured it out because I'm Einstein. Okay, let's pull out a piece of bread. Here we go. Let's get a close-up on this bread. Bread. Pre-sliced. Nice white bread. It looks kind of yellow. There's a little bit of yellow in my bread. Is there yellow in your bread? There might be yellow in your bread. But if there is, it doesn't matter. It still tastes pretty good. Let's continue. Okay. Roll up sleeve, because you don't want peanut butter on your bathrobe. So now, our next step is to take our peanut butter and open it up. Okay, give me a second. And the jar's open. Here we go. Now we gotta open this, so. One fatal swoop, and it is off. Like that. Let's get a close up of that. Do you like that? Okay, it is now time for the final step. The final step is to take our peanut butter and put it on our bread. So, since I don't have a fork in my peanut butter, that was just CGI. This is not a fork. No peanut butter in my mouth, okay? Our finger. So, you take your finger, make sure your finger is freshly washed. I repeat, freshly washed. You don't want any diseases on your bread. So, my hands have been washed. Now we put finger in peanut butter. We get a nice scoop, like this. You can't, okay, there you go, good enough. And now, we take scoop and put it on bread. Complete. We will be using peanut butter on both sides, okay? Let's get a close-up on our hand movements. Right there. You grab your scoop, put it on, and you just rub it. Rub. You just rub. Just keep rubbing. And now you take both peanut butter hamburger buns and you just squish together. Just squish it together. Just squish it together, just like that. And now you have your sandwich. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and now we'll be doing our taste test. Unfortunately, my camera died. This camera right here died. So now, for the taste test, we have to have bad quality video, but it's okay. Okay, so here's our sandwich. Now, for the taste test, we're just gonna pick it up and give it a nice little baby nibble. So we just go. I rate this a 10 out of 10. I ate the entire sandwich in one bite. Look at that. You can't even see anything left. We have one tiny bite left because it was so good. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's cooking video. I will sure to make more. Just recommend what I should cook, and I will cook it and show you how to make it as tasteful as possible with my 37,000 years worth of practice. So, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below that you peed your pants when you're in 2nd grade. Just because I did that once. Okay, that's